Welcome to Leeds Custom Design. Our mission is to help you in creating kitchens and other rooms that are as unique and as original as you and your family. Our designers can sketch ideas with you and offer creative solutions to meet your budget. We integrate your choice of the finest appliances and fixtures such as KitchenAid, Sub-Zero, Wolf, Kohler, and others. The craftsmen in our wood shop are true artisans who create pieces of exceptional detail and value. Our master finishers are keeping alive old world traditions such as authentic French polish. We first create samples of custom finishes to show you the exact look that can be achieved. When customers see the quality of these samples and the value they represent, it is rare that we don't get the job. We can enhance any room of your home with bespoke cabinetry, handcrafted decorative wood trim, doors, and other one-of-a-kind pieces. I invite you to visit our showroom and design studio to see styles that are original and inspired, just like you.